How to find my Amazon Kindle books on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find your Amazon Kindle books on your Android device. For this, you want to launch the Kindle app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store and then search for the Amazon Kindle app. Now from here, you can simply tap on the install button and have this app installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Once you have launched the Amazon Kindle app, you first of all want to sign into your account. For that, you will require your Amazon account. Once you enter all of your Amazon account's credentials, you will be synced into the Amazon Kindle app as well. Now, if you want to find your Amazon Kindle books that you have downloaded or purchased, then all you have to do is follow these simple steps. On the home page, you want to tap on the library option. Once you tap on this, you will have two options, which is all and downloaded. In all, you will have all of your books over here. If you tap on the downloaded option, you're going to find all of the Amazon Kindle books that you have downloaded. And in this way, you can simply tap on any of the book and open it in this way. And in this way, you can find your Amazon Kindle books on your Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.